Hi everyone and welcome back to the garden. I was out here just doing my usual evening watering. It's been so hot lately and I know the plants are thirsty. But as I was moving through the rows, I noticed something that I just had to stop and show you. Look at my sunflowers. The sun is setting right over there in the west, but every single one of the blooms is already turned towards the east. It looks like they're being a bit stubborn, doesn't it? Ignoring the sunset. But there's actually something really incredible happening here. When sunflowers are young and growing fast, they practice something called heliotropism. They literally track the sun from the moment it rises until it disappears. But once the sun goes down, they don't just stay there. They actually have a built-in biological clock, a circadian rhythm, just like we do. During the night, while we're sleeping, these flowers are hard at work. They slowly turn their heads back towards the east before the sun even touches the horizon. They're basically resetting themselves so they don't miss a single second of the morning light. And there's a reason for it. By facing east, the flower heads warm up much faster in the morning sun. And nature is so smart. Bees and other pollinators actually prefer warm flowers. By getting a head start on the day, these sunflowers can attract up to 5 times more pollinators than if they were facing any other way. Once they fully mature, they stop the daily dance and just stay fixed towards the east to stay as productive as possible. I just love these little reminders that there's so much life and thought going on in our backyards, even in a simple flower. Thank you all so much for spending a few minutes in the garden with me today. It means the world to have you along on this journey. Let me know in the comments if your sunflowers are already looking toward tomorrow too. I'll see you in the next one.